Programming your Camaro flip key. Add a key versus all keys lost. Let's get straight to it. Programming a 2014-2016 Chevy Camaro flip key yourself is possible, but the process differs significantly whether you're adding a key or have lost all keys. Adding a key is more straightforward with the right tools. Losing all keys requires more advanced methods and often professional help. These keys are transponder-based smart keys synced to your car's computer, and each key is paired to the car. This video will outline your options and what to expect. For either scenario, you'll need an OBD2 scanner that supports GM protocols, such as a Foxwell NT530 or Launch X431, and a new uncut flip key. For adding a key when you have an existing one, first connect the OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port. Then cycle the driver's door lock 5 times within 10 seconds using the existing key. Finally, follow the scanner's prompts to enter programming mode and add the new key. For all keys lost, it's much trickier and often requires a dealer visit, costing $150 to $300. Use the same OBD2 scanner and new key, but you'll need to clear the BCM memory, which may require a PIN code or virginizing the BCM. Then reprogram the BCM and test the key. Be aware that DIY attempts can trigger the anti-theft system, immobilizing your engine.